Unlock the convenience of meal delivery with your SNAP benefits on DoorDash. Here's how. First, confirming your eligibility is key. You need to be a recipient of SNAP benefits in an eligible state where DoorDash supports EBT payments. Check your state's specific regulations and DoorDash's website for the most up-to-date list of participating locations, as this can vary. Next, it's time to link your EBT card. Open the DoorDash app and go to your account settings. Look for the payment or wallet section. You'll find an option to add a new payment method here. You'll select EBT card. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely enter your EBT card number and any other required information, just like you would with a regular credit or debit card. Now, for the exciting part, choosing where to eat. Not all restaurants on DoorDash accept EBT payments. As you browse available restaurants, look for a specific indicator that signifies EBT card support. This might be a badge, a label, or a filter option within the app. Once you find a suitable restaurant, you can add eligible food items to your cart. At checkout, ensure your EBT card is selected as your payment method. Remember, you can typically only use your EBT benefits for eligible food items that are meant to be prepared and consumed. This usually excludes items like alcohol, prepared meals meant for immediate consumption like hot deli items, and non-food items. Any non-qualifying items will need to be paid for with a separate payment method. Once your EBT card is confirmed and your order is placed, you're all set to enjoy a delicious meal delivered right to your door. This makes accessing convenient and nutritious meal options easier than ever for SNAP recipients.